Let's go. Welcome back to Riso Invest. Very happy to be back on the channel. The channel is growing so quickly. So very happy to have all you guys over here. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Harmonic. Harmonic is my next 100x trade over here on the AI era of broadband technology. And this is going to be a very important video, so do watch it to the very end. It can be slightly boring as I go through a bit of the stocks, the revenues, but I think that it is fundamental for you to build your conviction itself. Congratulations to those of you who are following the channel, and more importantly, those of you who are in the premium group. You guys have made a lot of money on my previous trades over here, especially my cyber semiconductors. For those of you who are in my premium group, congratulations. I'll be sharing with you guys exactly what the next 100x stock is very soon, and it's going to be on humanoid robotics. Alright, for those of you who want to join the premium group, you can join down below today at risoinvest.com. You will be investing with myself, Riso Invest, and you'll get full access to my 100x watch list, which is invaluable at this point in time. Okay, one-time payment, lifetime access of 100x stocks, so do join today. Okay, let's not waste any more time and let's go through Harmonic. So, I'm very excited to share this stock today, and I think that this is a severely undervalued stock that is currently trading at about $15.20 with the pre-market at about $19.40. For those of you who were part of my premium group, we are already up a few X's on this trade itself. But I think that the market is really starting to wake up to this technology right here. And if you are watching this video right now, and I've just posted this video not too long ago, then I think that you actually still have a few multiple X's to go on the Harmonic trade. And I'll go through with you guys exactly why. So, before we go through what exactly is Harmonic, we need to understand the simple investment thesis. The thesis behind every trade is the most important thing that you need to understand because, right, the market is very efficient. In order for you to capitalize on the growth of a certain stock or company, you need to understand why people actually buy that company, right? So the thesis here is that AI creates more data. Data requires better networks. So how do we get these networks? Well, Harmonic is the solution to help upgrade these networks. Okay, so Harmonic, which is HLIT, the ticker, actually specializes in upgrading broadband, fiber, edge networks, as well as software-defined connectivity. So this is the company I'm talking about, Harmonic over here, faster broadband made smarter. And you can see that their COS features are essentially the smarter broadband solution that solves the AI problems of having better networks over here. And these are the architectures and the kind of platform that they actually provide. Now, importantly, there are certain features of Harmonic that I'm very excited about. So first thing, it actually showcases AI-powered network operations intelligence. So what does this mean? It shifts from reactive maintenance to proactive performance. And this is really invaluable and people are starting to wake up to it. This sort of network operative intelligence really helps the entire AI data center, the entire network itself to run on its own. And this is something that Harmonic actually provides. I think that Harmonic actually solves a very important problem with the network at this point in time, because the problem now is really not GPU limited in terms of AI. nvidia has already gone multiple X's, right? It's pretty much the largest company in the world for GPUs, and the growth is no longer there. So if you want to invest in nvidia, I'm pretty much going to tell you that you're not going to get your multiple X's, 5x, 10x. You're not going to get it off there. You need to think second order, third order, and what exactly are these companies? It is the network companies, right? Because it's no longer GPU limited, it's going to be network limited. And in order to solve this network problem, Harmonic comes in over here. And Harmonic has one step above the others with very strong cash flow, revenue, profits, and its AI network operation intelligence that will result in maintenance becoming proactive performance. So I want to go through with you guys a bit more as to the earnings firstly. So we have very strong Q1 earnings with a broadband revenue of 121.7 million, up 43% year on year. So let's just bring up the earnings for you over here. And you can see that these are the Q1 earnings for Harmonic over here. And we're driven by about a 43% year-on-year growth. And if you actually look at the net revenue over here of Q1 2026, I've actually highlighted it over here. The net revenue on GAAP, of course, it's 121.7 million. So very amazing and very strong revenue in terms of fundamentals for this company. For non-GAAP earnings per share, we are currently at about 0.17, and let's just bring up the data over here because it's important for you to understand the data. You can see over here, net income per share 0.17 non-GAAP Q1 2026. And take a look, guys. From Q1 2025, it was 0.07, Q4 2025 0.06, and Q1 2026 0.17. This is clear evidence that Harmonic is the gameplay for AI data centers network. People are already starting to come on board and starting to buy Harmonic's technology and broadband. I really cannot emphasize this enough. If you are watching this video, please go and read up on Harmonic itself, because I have full confidence that by reading up and educating yourself on Harmonic, you will be able to benefit from its earnings, and you'll be able to understand why the market is actually looking forward to Harmonic itself. Okay, so let's go through the next thesis over here, right? Operating profits, 26 million, up 115% year on year. It's a very profitable company. The cash flow basis and the entire earnings and profits are really there to really indicate to us that the market is starting to tune in and the market is utilizing Harmonics itself. If you take a look at the dot-com bubble, right, many of these companies were actually getting inflated price levels with pretty much no profitability, and that is why the dot-com bubble actually crashed. With the AI trade itself, we actually have profitable companies that are actually scaling and growing with AI itself, and therefore these are not inflated values. These are invested value investing with good fundamentals. All right. So with the expected Q2 2026 revenue, we are looking over here at about 115 to 125 million with a margin of about 52 to 53%. So let's take a look at where these values actually are. So this is it over here, Q2 2026 GAAP financial guidance. The net revenue 115 to a high of 125 million with a gross margin of 52% to 53%. So very bullish in terms of what the Harmonic company is actually receiving in terms of their revenue at this point in time, and you can expect their growth to be really parabolic and exponential at this point in time. Free cash flow looking extreme bullish. So I've highlighted over here, free cash flow is about 30.3 million in the quarter, and this is the Harmonic Q1's earning call highlight, so do pay attention to what I'm saying over here. And the company ended the quarter with 109 million in cash and cash equivalents and an 82 million undrawn credit facility. So this indicates to us that they really have manageable debt with a lot of money and a lot of free cash flow, and essentially all these numbers, what I'm trying to tell you and what you need to understand is that it is a profitable company that the market is starting to buy into. Okay, I want to repeat this one more time. The key thesis is that this is a profitable company that the market is starting to buy into, and this is a solution to a problem that is becoming a bit more apparent with the AI growth. Okay, this is the most important part of the video. You can pretty much close the video at this point in time if you understand this thesis right here. Okay, the next thing is that the sale of video business to focus on broadband structure. So Harmonic itself is locking in on this technology, and in their earnings call highlight over here, they actually reported that its pending sale of its video business to MediaKind remains on track to close in the second quarter, subject to customary closing conditions, meaning that they are really locking in on this broadband technology, and efficiency comes about from focus, and this is exactly what the company is focusing on right now. So we are very confident and have conviction because our goals are aligned, and Harmonics also identify this gap in the network or the demand for the network right now because of the AI trade itself. So I think most importantly, you guys want to know, hey Rizal, how far and how high can Harmonics actually grow until? Well, I do have a few theses over here. I believe that the expected roadmap that is upcoming is that the AI traffic creates a global broadband / fiber upgrade cycle. So many people are going to have their upgrade of the networks, and they're going to tap on Harmonic itself. And I've written over here that HLIT actually funds this. So I'm actually looking at about 1.5 bill revenue, a 25% operating margin, a 375 mil EBIT, as well as a 30x multiple. And this would give us an expected conservative moderate growth of about 6 to 10x minimum. So for those of you who are watching this video right now, yes, my premium group members are up quite a bit already. Pretty much we are up about a 3 to 4x at this point in time, with the pre-market going at about 19.49. But if you ask me, I think that easily, you would be able to hit the highs over here at about $100 in the next 6 to 12 months. And I think that this is going to play out very, very quickly. You can see that the pre-market is really starting to buy into this right now. For those of you who are watching this video right now as I'm posting it, I want to reassure you, you are still very, very early on this profitable company. So really take some time, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, read through the financial statements, understand the AI trade. And I think that this is really a good buy for you guys in order to profit off this current AI trade and era itself. Okay, so that'll be all for today's video. In my coming 1 or 2 weeks time, I'm going to be posting quite a bit on humanoid robotics and the companies I'm actually looking at in terms of second order and third order thinking. And I think that for those of you who are my premium group, I'll definitely be sharing with you guys first how exactly we'll be entering these companies and how we can profit for them. For those of you who want to definitely get early dibs on these stocks, join the premium group. Otherwise, you can subscribe to the channel. I will be sharing it in a few weeks down the line, right? So you'll be able to profit as well, just not as early. That'll be all for today's video. If you have any questions at all, do drop in the comment section down below. Thank you to everyone who has joined the channel. I'm very, very happy to hear that you guys are profiting off the investments that I've shared with you guys. And yeah, very excited for the future months to come. And I think that this is a new generational trade on AI as well as humanoid robotics. All right. And that'll be all. And as always, invest safe.